Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix this error that you're looking on the screen. It's the error of same account launch. So first we gotta do is uninstall Roblox. So we search for Roblox on the taskbar and select for the uninstall options. Now here we search for the Roblox application. We right clicks on the Roblox application and we just simply uninstall. Then once we uninstall Roblox, we just download it again from the main original page. This is very simple. We just click here on download and then we look for the download, and automatically when we click on the archive that we downloaded, automatically the game is gonna be installed. Now we run the game and it should be all fine. Now, if none of these options work, I recommend you to just download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. All we gotta do is just click here where it says get, and then we just download the game. It's pretty simple. So we just wait for a second. And as you can see, we can play automatically in the game of Roblox. It's pretty simple. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.